So the bed stake, it was revolutionary on our farm. It's the transition from doing doing major things on the farm over and over and over again, like redesigning the farm, measuring things out, all of that, to things being permanently in their place. And that's what the bed stake represents. It represents having a small farm as efficient as possible. We don't lose bed to path because the path will always get bigger. We're able to maximize the beds because it's already there measured out. It's ready to accept the string that I can put around and show the edge of the bed as I'm planting or as I'm seeding. And that's really how you maximize a bed. It's just by knowing where those edges are and then being able to space things out perfectly. So when we take a gritter, right, we're perfectly spacing the whole bed and using the whole thing. And we don't have to worry about the edges getting trampled or compacting and then the edges not producing. The bed stake enables us to have irrigation year round because now the beds are in a permanent position. We don't have to redo everything all the time. The bed stake also enables us to have a farm map so that we can have every bed have a unique name to it, a unique ID, right? That enables us to give tasks to people and not have to show them where to go, that now we can map out the farm. The bed stake has just been revolutionary. And, you know, if you have a small farm, small plot, even a garden, I feel it can really add incredible value. It's a wonderful thing.